All right, this is how you break. Yeah, this is how you break the bead on a tire. YouTube video number 1.
No, don't do this.
No, this is educational. Yes, yes, stab it. This is how you break the bead on a golf cart tire. This will only work on a golf cart tire. All right, keep going. Stab it, stab it. You have to do it just like this. Stab it in the rim. All right, now get it back up there. You got it takes persistence. Stab it again. Stab the rim. Stab the tire. Tire. All right, now stab the foot. Well, rim, tire, rim, tire, tire. It goes tire, tire, rim, tire, tire, rim, rim, tire, board, rug.
Foot to the tire.
This is tire, rim, tire, tire, rim, rim. Oh, see, this is how you do it, people. Live from Bert Clair.
Live action.
This is how you break the bead. Now we're doing the other side. You can pay me later. This is breaking the bead. Breaking the bead. Passerbys watching.
I'm done.
All right.
All
And
right.
this is your educational video.
This is your dumb fuck of the day.
This is how we break the bead on the tire.
This is how these dumb nut bushings do it. We had to just show y'all.
Pay me later. Well, this is. I'll tell you what. This one's on me.
We cut them off.
We're not gonna charge you for this one.
We
but
cut them.
We should.
We cut them.
You're welcome.
Cut it.
You're welcome very much.
Cut.